Are you curious about the warning indicators and instrument cluster display on the 2026 Chevrolet Blazer? Understanding these symbols can help you stay informed about your vehicle's condition, improve safety, and enhance your overall driving experience. This guide breaks down the dashboard indicators and explains what each symbol means so you can drive with greater confidence. Interior view. The dashboard lineup spans two distinct models, the traditional gas-powered Blazer and the all-electric Blazer EV. Both feature highly stylized, tech-forward dashboards with distinct visual layouts and features. The digital displays in the lineup vary significantly depending on whether you choose the traditional gas-powered model or the all-electric model. The instrument cluster lineup offers two entirely separate configurations depending on whether you are driving the all-electric Blazer EV or the traditional gasoline-powered Blazer. The gear shifter lineup implements completely different gear selector layouts depending on whether you choose the all-electric Blazer EV or the traditional gas-powered Blazer. The steering wheel design lineup differs significantly based on whether you opt for the tech-forward, all-electric Blazer EV or the sport car-inspired traditional gasoline model. The climate control systems in the lineup feature different interfaces, hardware capabilities, and energy management technologies depending on whether you opt for the gasoline-powered Blazer or the all-electric Blazer EV. The engine provides two distinct internal combustion engine options engineered for a balance of daily fuel efficiency and high output performance. Cluster indicators. Driver seat belt reminder light. Front passenger seat belt reminder light. Airbag readiness light. Passenger airbag status indicator. Charging system light. Malfunction indicator. Lamp check engine light. Brake system warning light. Electric parking brake light. Service electric parking brake light. Anti-lock brake system warning light. Lane keep assist light. Vehicle ahead indicator. FCA and ACC following gap light. Pedestrian ahead indicator. Traction off light. Traction control system or electronic stability control light. Electronic stability control off light. Engine coolant temperature warning light. Driver modes: sport mode, snow mode, off-road mode, tow or haul mode, tire pressure light, engine oil pressure light, low fuel warning light, security light, high beam on light, IntelliBeam light, lamps on reminder, cruise control light, adaptive cruise control light, door ajar light. Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.